As the first home booster to feature SureCall's patented extended range technology, the Fusion4Home Max provides farther reach and a stronger indoor cellular signal, so you stay connected even in rural or suburban areas with weak or partially blocked signals. Here's how it works. A powerful outside antenna receives the signal sent from a cell tower and transmits it to the Fusion4Home Max. In traditional signal booster technology, the signal loses strength as it travels through the outdoor cable, so it's weaker by the time it gets to you. But the Fusion4Home Max overcomes signal loss by amplifying voice, text, and data signals at their strongest point before sending them inside. Once the signal enters your home, the Fusion4Home Max broadcasts the boosted signal to every device in the coverage area using an advanced indoor antenna. This means you receive maximum connectivity and faster data speeds throughout your home. The Fusion4Home Max comes with everything you need to enhance cellular reception at home. With the Fusion4Home Max from SureCall, you can put an end to poor signals and dropped calls.